Look, y'all. A broken nail. Boy, guitar is gonna be funny feeling now. So, I was telling you I hit stuff with hammers. I'll show you how I hit stuff with hammers. I get in a comfortable position for whatever room I got. Put a striking object with mass on whatever it is I'm hitting. And the things that don't have a lot of mass that I'm hitting, I gotta be real careful with because it's too easy to misshape them. I want to do my due diligence to the next mechanic, not to destroy this aluminum part with a drop forged piece of steel that was awkwardly engineered. Let me just say that, by really smart folks. Alright, that's all the way in. Does it pull out? Nope. Yo. Okie dokie. Alright, we have one electrical connector. It's got dashes that goes certain ways. Looks like that. So, it only goes in one way. That's cool. Thanks, y'all. This is the fun part because it actually goes like it should. What it should be is those assemblies are attached to this plate with a seal and a bunch of more bolts. That's how y'all could have bypassed all of this silliness. Not only that, but y'all put a very dainty little teeny tiny cutesy fuel filter in here for a big monster turbo car that this is. Thing's freaking fast, man. Why y'all gonna do that? It's almost like you want the high pressure fuel pump to fail. Is that so? Those diesel pumps y'all put in here, it makes super boost pressure on hydraulic lines. Yeah, them things they put on big giant trucks that carries your groceries to the grocery store up mountains and down mountains. Yeah, those. So this one was this one's got that. I'm pretty sure that one was it. Yep. Bingo! Don't miss anything. Nope. This line is pushed on. This line is pushed on. Does it pull off? Nope. Alright. Nope. Alright. So then, we got. How does that fit nicely? Never tighten them all down at once. You'll end up having to loosen them all again every time. Guaranteed. I learned that when I did fairings on helicopters. Every time you thought that you could just do one or two that were all tight, nope. You got to get them all in the hull, then put the screw in a little bit in each one, and then go around and tighten them. So anytime you're putting a panel on something, always get all of your hardware started before you cinch anything down. It also allows for you to not only line it up correctly, but to also fasten it in a way in a torque pattern that matters. Like what I just did with a cross, top down, left right, and tight plus 30, no, a third of a turn or a quarter of a turn. Got about a third. If you get a third, it's good. If you get a quarter, that's good. Don't do more. Always retorque. Okie dokie. Fired up. Where is the key? Oh. Oh, I know what else I can do. I can open this door. I thought that pump would cycle. Let's see what happens. Trying to cycle on and off the fuel pumps. I don't know if I can do it from back here though. Where did it get stuck? Why are we stuck? Wait for the starter to stop. Let the brake off. Put the brake on. Start. Air bubbles. Air bubbles. Got no leaks. All right, well, that's it. That's the second fuel pump I've done this week. Woo! You can't see the moon now. I don't know if you can see it. You can't see on that cloud.